cleanyourscore.com. Credit repair motivation. You got to get up today. You got to stop playing with yourself. You got to look yourself in the mirror and take control today. Take accountability today. Put your priorities first. You need credit for an apartment. You need credit for that cell phone. You need credit for that new car. Stop making excuses. Stop blaming everybody else. Blame yourself. And if your friends are not supporting you, oh well, love yourself more today. Build yourself up. Stop looking for support. Give them something to support. Open your eyes up. Motivate yourself. Help yourself. Build the people up around you. The ones who like you. The ones who support you. Support them. Get yourself up today. Keep your eye on the prize. Don't let nothing hold you down. Nothing can stop you. Keep striving on your goals today. Repair your credit. Fix your credit. Go to cleanyourscore.com right now. Sign up and fix your credit. What are you waiting for? What you got to lose? Put your priorities forward today. Your goals. Have integrity. Do research. Understand credit can help you get through your negative situations and help you be financially free. Give you some freedom today. Go to cleanyourscore.com. Read the About Us section. Sign up. You got nothing to lose. We're here. We got a full refund process for you guys. I want you guys to start taking advantage of that. Taking advantage of understanding what credit can do for you. This is the Credit Repair Motivation Channel. We motivate you to get up. Stop complaining. Take action. Credit Repair Motivation is going to help you. It's going to uplift you. It's going to strive. It's going to motivate you. It's up to you to take it to the next level. It's up to you to sign up. It's up to you to pull your credit report. It's up to you to study, to understand leveraging, to understand financial freedom. The ball is in your hand. It's up to you to get the rock down the court and score. You at the free throw line. You've took 1,000,000 fouls. You scored your free throw. Now learn some financial freedom. Cleanyourscore.com. Credit Repair Motivation.